COVID-19 pandemic has impacted people in many different ways. Some suffer depression and anxiety, others turning to substance abuse. There are resources available to anyone who may need them. The city of New Britain offering a series of informational events throughout September, which is National Recovery Month. Joining us now is Jessica Collins, Director of Behavioral Health at the Hospital of Central Connecticut in New Britain. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
So what have you and your colleagues been seeing in terms of those who need help and are getting help?
We're really seeing an increase in individuals that are seeking treatment for both substance use and behavioral health issues and needs. The number of overdose deaths across the country is on the rise, including here in Connecticut. And substances have been really a coping mechanism that many people have utilized during this pandemic, which has led to increased difficulties with addiction that might be new for some people or relapsing behaviors for others.
All right. And what are you hearing from patients as far as the reasons why they're experiencing these issues?
Yeah, patients, staff, loved ones alike are all discussing the stressors as it relates to the pandemic. The pandemic brought about so many changes for people, including job loss, feelings of isolation, loss of loved ones, and changes in access to mental health and substance use treatment. Most recently, people have been starting to express grave concerns related to reentry anxiety as individuals are trying to return back to work and social lives and trying to normalize society despite the fact that COVID has an ongoing presence and threat for some people. Many people, mental health and substance use issues have been a long-standing issue, potentially further exacerbated by this pandemic. And regardless of the source or the stress or the onset, it's never too late for individuals to start their recovery journey and to ask for help.
All right. Now, the Hospital of Central Connecticut will be holding a resource fair on September 29th. Tell us about it and what resources will be available.
Yes, we're excited. So next Wednesday, the 29th, from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at Walnut Hill Park here in New Britain, we'll be having trauma-informed yoga, stories of hope and recovery. There'll be music. There will be access to create appointments to start your own recovery journey or to talk to a mental health expert on how to find help. Anyone is welcome, and it's a completely free event.
All right. And what would your advice be to anyone out there suffering from behavioral health issues or substance abuse?
I think it's most important for people to know that help is available and that it's never too late to start your journey. No one has to struggle alone. There are treatment resources out there, and access to these services can truly change the path and trajectory of your own life or the life of your loved ones.
All right. Thank you so much, Jessica Collins. We appreciate your time.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.